I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hello?
We've been trying to reach you concerning your car's extended warranty. You should have received something in the mail about your car's extended warranty. Since we have not gotten a response, we are giving you a final courtesy call before we close out your file. Press 2 to be removed and put on our do not call list. Press 1 to speak with someone possibly extend. Your car's extended warranty. You should have received
This is the
something in
second
the mail
one
about
today.
your car's extended warranty. Since we have not gotten a response, we are giving you a final courtesy call before we close out your file. Press 2 to be removed and put on our do not call list. Press 1 to speak with someone about possibly extending or reinstating your car's warranty. Again, press 1 to speak with a warranty specialist or call our 800. Hello, good day. This is Marge with the Warranty Division. Can you please verify the year, make, and model of your vehicle so I can pull up your file?
Actually, I would like to know why I keep getting these phone calls after I press 2 to be removed from the list. I know this is not legit, and I know y'all are not going to offer extended warranty on my 25-year-old vehicle with 300,000 miles.
Okay, sir. I do apologize for that, but sir, do you have any other vehicle aside from that car?
No, because I know that this is a scam, but y'all are probably also offering tech support scams right there in the same building. I won't be surprised.
Of course, we're not, sir. We are an authorized service contract provider for
Okay,
all
ma'am.
vehicles nationwide.
Ma'am. Then why does your call center spoof my caller ID as local phone numbers? It's like y'all just calling the random local phone numbers all the time.
Sorry, sir, but we are just updating only your information, and you're not gonna tell you anything or what?
Okay, I would like these calls to stop. How would I stop these calls? I get that this is my second one today.
Okay, sir. We will do that for you, so don't worry. We will make sure that we are not calling you back again. So thank you for having this call. Have a great day.
The same to you. And bye. And I know for a fact I will continue getting these phone calls. It's just a given fact. I have pressed 2 multiple times in the past to be quote unquote removed from the list. If y'all ever get these phone calls about your car's extended warranty, just like I say, don't take them as serious because it's a scam. It's a scam is all it is. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.